It is a station here, and it's dark. It's a nice flower. It's nice color. This is station is soy. It's here. And this is flower. And the bus here. There's a nice flower here. It's the garden. Where the horse is the Christian. What's it called? Christian, yes. This is nice.
Town in Skåne named Fiskpasta, and this is for this thing. Really grounded.
Yeah. And it's nice here, and so the hotel is there. Hotel Dangleter. And the Rolex and so many people in here. Now I did not use my microphone, so I need to only take a picture. This a flower, so nice flower. It's the Europeans milieu. The music one. See here, there's so many people here. You know that's nice car here? I want to take a video there. Come. I like, which one you like? The blue one. I like the it's a nice one. Is you like that one?
This one. Is it Lamborghini?
Yeah, Lamborghini or Ferrari.
I think it's Lamborghini.
Both?
Yeah.
It is nice. Oh, this is my dream car.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
We have the same dream.
I will take a picture of this. Oh, see? My nice car behind me. It's so nice. Huh?
No, it's Lamborghini.
Okay. It's a nice color.
Yeah.
It's 41. I want to drive that one. Yeah, you never know. It's a nice. Here, we are in Kongsnyu. We see famous people. So I need to use my microphone and the selfie when we go in the boat. But the weather is now a little bit windy. We see here. But the weather is no good. It's a little bit dark now. This is Huawei. And this is for French. What's called that? Consulate. Go. We go. Now we go to new homes. It's a green one. So we need to book. People is waiting here outside. You can see the. Oh, I hope it's not raining. Oh, we're good. Wait. See, this is new home. people are waiting for.
And he was trying to talk to my boyfriend because they're like the only like let's say.
Here the new, huh? Oh, see, we got sail, we go sailing. Nice. New, huh? It's a cloudy today. It's nice here, guys. It's a nice flower. Everything down there. It's a fountain. And it's nice flower here. Yeah, here the other side. Now it's the church is blinging. Now we go. Yeah. It's just nice here, guys. So good. It's no fish. It's a carpa. Oh, there's a black one. I think it has only fish here, the other side. You see the fish? It's a deck. There's no more that. Ah, you can buy food, the fish here. Oh, there's so many big fish. They need food. Hungry fish? Ah, they need food. They open the mouth. It's all fish now. Where's the white? There's so many fish. Yan, yung tubig medyo madumi.
No, I'm sorry. Where are you from?
See, I can do that. Now I can't do this. Why I want to use something says hard.
This is pretty.
Yeah, this is that one, guys. More people can swim. Wanna see the guys here? Oh no, I will sit that one. It's and sleeveless. It's a nice view.
It's a little bit sad with that seawall. You cannot see this.
No, you cannot see. Only the on the top and a little in head of the boat and windmill.
And then there are two islands there.
Yeah, I've been there. This other side is a house.
This is for winter swimming.
Yeah, it's a swim.
If you want to join that, be a member of that, there is a waiting list for 35 years.
Oh, for the swimming.
Yeah. To be member of the sauna and swimming club.
This is a.
There, out there, there is the Charlottenlund Fort is there.
Yeah.
You can see that.
Yeah. Oops.
It's also before it was the military who had that
Yeah.
island.
I take a picture there too.
Yeah. There's a camping place inside.
And then you walk. It's nice, and there you can walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
It's beautiful in the summer, but in the winter it's full of white snow. Now it's. You can see this one. Yeah. Oh, let's continue. Sailing boat. It's nice view. It's more traffic in the summer. When people going to the beach, want to have fun.
A lot of traffic.
Yeah. Oops. You need to wait. That's why you need to drive slow.
But we don't go.
Yeah. Short here.
Short hair.
But I wear a dress. Gusto mo kumain ng ice cream? Pwede siya. Lunch. Gusto Pino? It's sunny day today. Ayan. It's a little bit windy. This is nice weather. See the sun here. Happy birthday.